How y'all doing today, and welcome to Southern Cooks. My name is Adrian Taggart, and today we're going to be making, I really don't know what to call them, but it's pork chops, and then they're going to be rolled with Philadelphia cream cheese and jalapenos and wrapped in bacon. Maybe y'all can come up with a name and put it down in the comments, and we'll see how that goes. We got Tony Sashery's. That's kind of a Louisiana thing, but I think you can pretty much get it anywhere. And then we have some fresh jalapenos, and then we have bacon and Philadelphia cream cheese and pork chops. What I do is I come in, I take them and I pound them out. I use my hand. You can use a hammer, mallet, whatever you want. You can use a can of baked beans if you want to. It doesn't really matter. But anyway, you take and you just kind of flatten them out, just so they're a little thin like that. I've already done this stack to make it a little quicker, and then that's all it is to it. Just like that. And we get our bowl. We open our cream cheese, and then we're going to take and cut the peppers. All right, I'm going to take the seeds out. I'm not going to use the seeds because I'm not trying to kill anybody. And the seeds are pretty hot. But you can leave the seeds if you like. The more seeds you got, the hotter it'll be. So just take the seeds out. Make sure you wash your hands after you do these, because they do burn. And they burn bad. Alright, then I'm just going to mince them up real good without the spoon. Now that I have my jalapenos cut, I'm going to take and I don't know if I use all the jalapenos, but I'm going to mash up my cream cheese real good with a fork. It's better if you have this cream cheese at room temperature, because then it makes it a little bit easier to work with. And they also have like a soft cream cheese that you can use. It's already soft. It comes in a little container. You can use that too. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and add some of this. Like I say, I probably won't use it all. I'm going to add some Tonys. Ooh, that's a good dash there. I have no idea how much I just put, y'all, so y'all figure that one out. I'll say probably a tablespoon maybe. Alright, once I get it all done like that, hey, I might add just a little bit more of that. That's some good stuff. Alright. So it's going to come to pretty much like that right there. See how you can see the jalapeno peppers and the seasoning? And then you're going to take, alright, you're going to take a little bit of this. And my hands are clean, I just washed them. Do it like that, and then you're going to roll it up. You roll it up kind of tight. It'll be just like that right there. Get that bowl out of your way. See how I did that? And then I take my bacon, which that one's a little on the broke side, but it'll be alright. I take and stretch my bacon a little bit. And I take it just like that. As you notice, I leave the fat on them because I like the fat, but you can cut the fat off your pork chops if you like. But that's what it's going to look right there. And take it over. I'm gonna make this overstuff. Use all that good stuff. Look at that. Ooh wait. That's gonna be some hot stuff there. Alright. Now that I have them on there, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take and sprinkle them down with Tony's. Kind of rub it in. Rub it in, rub it in. Alright. Now what we're going to do, we're going to put it in a... boy, whew, that was some good stuff there. We're going to put it in a 375 degree oven, probably about 45 minutes. I'm not really for sure on the time, but what I'll do is, after the video is over, I will tell you what the time it is. So we're going to do that, and I'll be back when it gets done. Look at that. 375 degrees. I'm back. It was exactly 45 minutes, but what happened is I put it in there at 375, and then 10 minutes before it was done, I cranked it up to 425 and finished cooking it, and it come out crispy. But if y'all want it more crispy, you can turn them over and put them in for a little bit longer, or, you know, it's up to you however you want to do it. But this is what they look like. Some of the stuffing does come out of it, but it's not really that big of a deal. The overstuff when I did, it really come out. But I just kind of sampled a little bit. All right, this is the way it looks right here. I'm gonna give it a shot here. I'm gonna cut this baby open. Look at that right there. See, that's what it looks like. All right, here we go. Man. That's what I'm talking about, good there. I gotta go in for another bite on that one. Y'all really need to try this. I'm telling you. The seasoning, the jalapenos, perfect. But anyway, I appreciate y'all watching my video. And if you want to see more, like and subscribe. And make sure you hit that bell icon, and you'll get updates whenever I post my new videos. Thank y'all. Southern Cooks out.